We're taking the brand new Lucid Gravity on a camping trip to find out if it's actually a good EV for the outdoors. On paper, it's got 450 miles of range, cool features like terrain mode, halo secure, creature comfort, and even a front you can hang out in. But here's the problem. The Lucid Gravity is brand new, so I can't help but wonder, will the battery actually last through the night? What started as a relaxing getaway quickly turned into something else. I'm hoping this will work. Get in here, get in here! But really, I hope you just sit back, relax, and vibe with me and the family. That is comfy.
It's raining over there.
I could just hang out here. Look at all this space too. This is something you can never get in any car brand. Look at that view. So I got the view of the awesome glass roof. No heat coming from here. Not only that, you get a privacy screen shade. So that's nice.
Oh boy, he just ran it on his own. Feel the raindrops too.
I would. Our champ. Don't worry, leave it. It's raining. Holy. Dude, it is really raining now. Wow.
Rain was not on the forecast today. I've been checking, but it's kind of nice.
The sun's coming out. It really rained in here. My wood! Oh my god, my wood is soaked. Wow, it's so dry. Nice.
Very dry.
Completely dry on this side, but wet on this side. So this is the Z Empire. They sell it REI. Inflatable, super sturdy. Got the dog food ready. Peanut's checking for bugs. Peanut, no bugs. Hey, okay. Oh. Sheesh. We got some broccoli, raw food, yogurt. Okay, who's hungry? Okay, Obi, come on. Peanut, Obi, you're free. The one crazy thing, we came here at around 12 noon. We had to climb out for 4 or 5 hours, with dogs were just chilling here. I arrived with 79%. Right now it is 6:10. Guess what the battery percentage is at? 78%. It only lasts 1%. This battery is huge. But the temperature is dropping fast and our fridge has to stay on through the night. The real question is how much battery will be left in the morning. Now technically, if you get the tech package, you can get a nice 120 volt outlet in the trunk. Luckily they do have a 12 volt cigarette outlet, so I was able to bring my ice cold fridge. The Lucid Gravity is supposed to have a camp mode in the future where it can keep the climate and outlets on, but as of this recording, it hasn't been released yet. But that's when we need that camp mode, so we can have the outlet stay on. We're gonna test it on creature comfort to see if the outlets stay on. Not sure if it's going to though. See, it turned off again, but it's supposed to keep our stuff nice and cold. And you kept the battery in here? The rain has stopped for the moment. But just in case it decides to rain again, we wanted to check out a place special to us. This was our first time back here since we lost our dog Simba. It brought back a lot of sad memories, but also beautiful ones. We knew this place brought Simba so much joy, but it still brings our other dog, Mr. Peanut Butter, lots of happiness. But after we were done with the lake, we headed back to the campsite to make dinner. But we ran into an unexpected family.
There's 3 of them. 4.
Thinks he's ready. He's gonna drive. Look at that view, he says. This is a nice car. The massage seats are nice. Oh, we can hang out right here. Yes. But just when we thought we could sit back and relax, the rain wind is coming. I feel the rain wind. Yep. Traveling this way, it's raining all over there. The question is, can we cook in here? Because there is air vents up here. You can open up these vents.
I'm gonna open another door on this side.
We don't want to die, so
Yeah.
this is the camping life. It's crazy. We gotta eat, even though it's raining. I'm hoping this will work. Dude, where are we? My Lord. Nice. Got that, got my avocado spray. All right, now, oh, crap. All the food's in the freezer outside. Thank God I had that covered. Oh, the car turned off. Interesting. This. This thing is legit. I barely have the heat on. It's raining right now. This is interesting. Look at the dogs just hanging out. This is fun. I'm actually happy we got this. It's legit. A little bit pricey, but totally worth it. Quality's amazing. Lettuce. Here. This. So this is like what Koreans do when they go camping. Let's get this. It's like a red chili paste. It's like so refreshing, so tasty. I did not expect this trip to go like this. The wood's all wet. Oh, hopefully I have more. Got the fire going. It's getting cold fast. Once the sun goes down, holy. I want to do a night lapse again, like to see the stars, but I think it's going to be too cloudy. I'll still try it though, but we'll see what happens. Good thing we have a ton of charge on the Lucid. So now it's that time. Okay, the bench is a little wet. To make some ramen, I got my nice Stanley here. Now, one pro tip, if you bring ramen, please don't keep it with heavy stuff like kitchen utensils and supplies like I did, because it has come all smashed up. So we'll see how good it is. But look at this view. You got the fire going, the gravity, the dog sleeping in there, that mountain view. I always put the sauce in first. And then once it boils, then I put the egg in, so the egg kind of marinates in the sauce. And then I last put this in. And it's getting cold again. Oh yeah. Let that boil. Wow. Perfect on a cold day like today.
Peanut's like, you guys eating something?
And then for dishes and washing your hands, clutch, we got it from Costco, the rinse kit. And I just get this camp soap. All you gotta do is just take one sheet. Oops, I took too many. You just hold on to it. Oh no. There. We use this thing by OXO. It has soap in there. But as night fell, it was time to test out sleeping in the Lucid with no camp mode.
Door shoes here, dog leashes here, water's there.
Got my phone up here set up. If I'm laying down, look, my fingers don't even touch. All this space here.
This is what we're using. Since we don't have camp mode, we are creatures.
We're creatures. This is awesome, but I am ready to sleep.
It's 3:30 a.m. The dogs had to go pee-pee. We had to put our stuff in the bear canister.
No bears. Right now it is 6:24 a.m. So since we got to the site and slept in here, climbing at 70, 48 degree temperature, and I'm at 70%, 267 miles, not bad. We only lost 8 or 9% battery. That's pretty legit. It was also super comfortable in here. Even though we didn't have camp mode, the pet mode worked totally fine. We've actually lost less than the Rivian and a Tesla, and the Lucid was on for a lot longer. Like normally with the Tesla and a Rivian, we lose like 12% at least minimum. This is not bad, and it's colder too. We'll see him die soon, finally.
Did the fridge stay cold overnight because it's plugged in? It is cold. It is cold. I think it worked. coming closer. Oh my gosh, she's coming so close. What?
Where's your friends at? All I have. No more. Okay, go. Breakfast is chicken sausage.
Have to always give to the dogs.
Let's see. Overall, camping with the Lucid Gravity was much better than I expected. The car is so spacious and comfortable. The battery did great overnight. There's a relaxation and meditation mode, which is perfect if you just want to feel like you're outdoors. There's also a frunk where you can sit and hang out in. And even though the camp mode isn't available yet, creature mode worked just fine. Even though this trip didn't go as expected, it was nice to come back and form new memories. The Lucid Gravity, it's pretty cool.